Hello everyone, you're watching the video of the number one Bollywood music podcast 9XM Soundcast with me Eva Bhatt. आज हमारे साथ एक ऐसी हस्ती हैं हिंदी फिल्म और म्यूजिक इंडस्ट्री की who has a glorious past, a flourishing present and a very bright future generation. His father's contribution to Indian cinema is just immense. सरदार मलिक साहब की बात हम क्या ही करें. आ, उनकी माताश्री उनकी मम्मी यानी बेगम बिल्किस जी के भाई थे द ग्रेट हसरत जयपुरी साहब एंड ऑफ कोर्स यू ऑल just love his two sons who are extremely like a musical genius, both of them Arman and Amal Malik. तो आज हमारे साथ हैं, we are too fortunate to have Dabbu Malik, papa of Arman and Amal Malik. Sir, thank you so much for joining us on the podcast.
Thank you for inviting me. I'm also honored. So beautiful.
थैंक यू सर. और मैं आपको बता दूं कि जिस पॉडकास्ट पर आज आप हमारे साथ जुड़े हैं उस पॉडकास्ट के सबसे पहले गेस्ट्स यानी द पीपल दैट वी विद whom we launched this podcast were Arman and Amal Malik.
Great.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir, for joining us, and heartiest congratulations for and thank you for giving us such a beautiful song, Kush Khab. हम जब सुनिधि जी से बात कर रहे थे तो हमने यही कहा कि it's not just a romantic song. It is loaded with too many emotions. For me, as a new parent, I feel that ये गाना ऐसा है जो शायद मैं अपनी बच्ची के लिए भी गा सकूं. It can be dedicated
Wow.
from a parent to a child or vice versa, and it is loaded with a lot of emotions plus the nostalgia, of course, जो कुछ शॉर्ट्स में हमें दिखाई दिए आपके और सुनिधि जी के पास्ट के रिकॉर्डिंग्स के. So it's just too much, it's too beautiful and too warm. So thank you so much for Kuch Khab.
Yeah, I think it's as the title suggests, कुछ ख्वाब हमारे कुछ ख्वाब जो थे उनको पूरा करने आया. वो ऐसा एक गीत है जो for a long time it was something which I was planning, but कभी ऐसा मौका नहीं मिला कि उसको रिलीज कर दें, because it didn't fall into a category of a film or a television serial or something. So suddenly independent space का जो दौर आया है, and MWM जो मेरी खुद की लेबल है, उसमें मुझे हाँ ये कि भाई हमारा जो म्यूजिक है जो जनरली विल नॉट फॉल इनटू द सो कॉल्ड फिल्म ट्रैपिंग्स, तो हमने सोचा कि इसको why not put it in an independent space and release it. But इतना मैजिक होगा, इतना लोगों को appreciate होगा, और we have over 1 lakh views actually. And जितने लोगों ने भी सुना है, जो reaction है, that is more overwhelming because people are connecting in different ways. Like somebody has said कि ये मुझे मेरी माँ के साथ मेरे गुजारे हुए बचपन के दिन याद दिला रहा है. So we put the whole thing emotionally, and it is actually like a musical connect between me and Sunidhi, because surprisingly she has great respect and regard for me, which is really amazing. जब मैंने ये गाना भेजा, not only she decided to sing it, and because I had done this in 3 versions. There is a version in Bengali, there is a version in Marathi. Marathi is yet to come. And when I sent it to her, she said, I just want to do it. And we had the lyrics ready, and she heard the song, and COVID times थे कुछ around 1 month back, और हाँ. But she just was really so excited. She said कि नहीं मैं तो आ रही हूँ, and I will not do it from home and give her, because I want to interact. I want to sit down in a studio with you teaching me, and I standing behind the mic. She wanted to feel the entire journey, because she was also last 7 months was doing most of her work from home.
Right.
So we went to our favorite studio with Tanay as a recordist, and Rupak his, and we landed there. It was for a long, like almost like 1.5 hours, so we were all stunned. वो उस रूम में मैं 6 फुट दूर, मेरा रिकॉर्डिस्ट थोड़ा सा दूर, हम लोग 3 ही लोग थे, और अलग अलग हम लोग 5-5 फीट इंच की डिस्टेंस रख रहे थे. बट ये सीक्रेट लेट आउट करता हूँ मैं कि बिफोर आफ्टर द सॉन्ग गॉट ओवर, and we could not hold our emotions, and we all of us hugged each other, and it was like कि अभी जो होना है होगा देखा जाएगा, but with the shield and mask and all that, we all got together because we got so emotional. And the song जब वो record हो रहा था, तो जैसा मेरा original गाना था उससे 10 notches high चला गया, because जैसे जैसे she was singing on the mic, वैसे वैसे my reactions and my innovations and my the change in composition started happening, because I got more
Wow,
ambitious.
that's
I
beautiful.
said ये try कर लेते हैं, ये try कर लेते हैं, and she was also getting, but frankly saying, I also told her once the song was done कि I was afraid कि अगर it's not completely into your genre, or maybe you don't feel like the song is, and I was saying, how would I say that I'm not liking it, because अपना इतना long association है. So she said, no, you don't have to fear about that. If you don't like, it's fine, but let us now go for it. And 3 दिन या 4 दिन के बाद हम लोग उसकी वीडियो शूट करने वाले थे. And we had planned with a new boy and a new girl we were supposed to cast. After recording with Sunidhi, I think more than 100 times I kept on listening to the song, because I could not even believe the magic that was coming across through the song. It was touching my heart. And I called up and Sunidhi, I think we should do a video with you only. And she said, yeah, karo, I'm ready. And then she decided कि चलो हम लोग कर लेते हैं. And then we planned and ये करेंगे. Then I did some Reiki, and since I was also connected with Zara Tehero of Arman, which I directed, the portions of Arman, we thought it at home and we did whatever. So, but with Sunidhi, we had got a little ambitious and we finalized the set in Lower Parel. We got the whole set done, got it painted. एक अच्छा सा Italian backdrop के ऊपर, या ग्रीस के जैसे होता है ना, सैंटोरिनी और उन सब जगहों से इंस्पायर्ड हमने कुछ पेंटिंग्स बना के किया. And one day before the shoot, Sunidhi panicked कि song recording तक ठीक था, but because she has a child,
She has a
very
baby.
young child, and old parents at home, she said, I'm scared. And she was scared even to tell me now, you have gone ahead and done so much, now what to do. So I understand. I said, you don't have to worry. I didn't tell any of my shooting people anything the next day. I didn't even cancel it, because I don't like canceling things. It's not in my nature. I just feel, even if the worst thing happens, I feel that whatever has to be done in any other way.
So you belong
So
to
I
that
even,
generation of artists जिनके लिए work is everything, right?
yeah. But to tell you very frankly, Amal Arman are much more dedicated. I love them, the way they are dedicated about their craft.
They took it from you.
Uh,
Yeah, absolutely.
yeah, I think so. I'm learning from them. Actually, it's the reverse. I see the dedication and the kind of excellence they want to reach in their art, which is really inspiring. And for me, even Kuch Khab, if it is a rollover effect of doing something good and working hard towards something and coming up with a track or a mix, because of when I see them working, I realize that they just don't believe कि कर लेते हैं, हो जाएगा, ठीक है, अच्छा है. I don't think either of them have that.
Never.
So that has actually been a kind of an inspiration for me. And one day before, Sunidhi told me she's not coming, and I said no problem. She says, what will you do, and all that. I immediately casted a girl also. I just spoke to some of my common friends, and we casted a girl. Okay, you come for the shoot. Then when I was actually next day morning, late in the night, I said, no, I don't want actually anybody. I just want Sunidhi only. And even if she's not coming, no problem. I will see what to do. I landed up on the set and I started shooting. Everybody was asking, where's Sunidhi? I said, she's not coming. And they were shocked. My cameraman team, everybody. So they said, no, she's not coming. So you all just shoot whatever I'm telling you. My own solo video I started, for which I had not even composed the song. It was not even finalized, mixed, or anything. I shot the whole video in my imagination without a song. And I shot. When I was shooting and I saw the rushes of that song, I said, this, if incorporated with Sunidhi's home video, can be the video for Kuch Khab. So I immediately reached back home. I sent a reference to Sunidhi, see, this is what I've shot on the set. And she was like shocked. She says, you went ahead, you didn't even cancel it. I said, no, I just thought कि कुछ ना कुछ करते हैं. So then she said, मैं भी shoot करती हूँ. And she got together with whatever resources she had at home. And under the emotional guidance which I gave her, and I gave her the references that how I wanted it to be a reflective mood and a journey of what we have seen together. You know, what has transpired in 17, 18 years, and the song is speaking. She also got creatively inspired. And then what magic she sent me, I said, my God, you're feeling the song, and it's like crazy. He
Yeah.
says, I also don't know. And she shot it and sent it to me. And then I said, no, then I need one more portion, because I said, I want a portion where you sitting at home in a reflective mood, having coffee and walking towards the balcony, and all that portions. Then she self shot and sent it to me. And then,
Wow.
as you say, both the things matched. I have just, the past also on the edit. When we were sitting on the edit, my editor said, Neeraj, he said, sir, ये इतना magical लग रहा है, आप लोगों की chemistry इतनी strong आ रही है,
बिल्कुल
इतने
बिल्कुल।
vibrations हैं आप लोगों की एक दूसरे की तरफ, कि ये अगर हम पास लेके आ जाए तो ये पूरी जर्नी का एक कल्मिनेशन होगा,
हाँ।
कि आप लोग वो स्टूडियो से स्टार्ट हुए और फिर ये गाना हुआ. So the feelings were very evident. It was coming across to people, everybody who saw it. And you'll not believe, I've just used two shots of mine. One shot where I'm playing the piano, and there's one shot only in the end when I'm looking and when she says कि सबसे हंसी है यार मेरा. Only वो दो ही shot मैंने use किए. बाकी is all about the past, and it's her full video is hers. But for her to hold on the attention, and I also realized कि कितनी जल्दी हमारी industry में, I call her the little legend. Like people like Sonu Nigam
Yeah,
and all these people have really done such extraordinary work. Even Sunidhi has done
of course.
so much work. It is like madness. That's it. So Kuch Khab's journey began, and it is now all with you guys to appreciate and love it. I love the way you said it, that that mom-son ka relationship. I never even imagined. It can be such a beautiful thing
She could
between.
also relate when I told her that for me it's like as if the lyrics also, they give me that kind of an emotion. So she said that even I kind of relate with that part too.
She also sent me a video where her son is singing the song.
Oh my
That
God.
he has that, and it is a revelation. She said he never sings anything, and suddenly he was singing that song to her, and in his baby voice. She said, I was shocked. She sent that video to me. I said, my God, this is crazy.
This is crazy, and because I'm telling you, the music is so haunting also. एक बार आप अगर सुन
Wow.
ले ये गाना, तो वो आपके मतलब दिलो दिमाग में रह जाता है. वो ट्यून इतनी इतनी गहरी है. Even when I heard the Bengali version, it is beautiful. It is sounding so beautiful. I have to
Yeah, you understand Bengali?
no, I mean, now listening to, different kinds of songs, like even if you're not a Punjabi, you understand Punjabi, even if you're not a Bengali, because we have heard,
Yeah,
different kinds of
and
songs.
that
So
that
beautiful.
that boy also is known for singing songs like Kishore Kumar style. I also changed his style. I said you have to whisper, Na bula ko tha,
ना बोलो,
tarararari,
मजा
tarara.
आ गया.
He sang it softly,
And
but you have to
अगर
hear the
आपको
Marathi.
हाँ जी, we are really waiting now that you have told that एक मराठी version भी आएगा, तो I think it's going to be a blast. And
And the Marathi version is a duet, and
wow,
it is a husband wife, real life husband wife, Harsh Vavre and Kasturi Vavre. They are singing
वाह,
husband wife from the heartland of Maharashtra.
क्या बात है.
Like yeah, and husband wife team is singing, and they were so emotional when they were singing. It says. It's such a nobody gives an opportunity like this to real husband wife who are good singers. I said, Karo, that is what I want. That is what the
It is
magic I
the
want.
power of digital media
Let the
also.
yeah, I said, let the love, the emotions of truth, let it come out. Let people, identify. Because वो vibration जैसे आपको लग रही है वैसे लोगों तक पहुंचती है. Good thing always reaches out to people.
So amazing. Thank you so much. हम जरूर सुनेंगे आपसे कुछ lines of कुछ ख्वाब.
कुछ ख्वाब तेरे संग देखे हैं, कुछ ख्वाब तेरे संग देखेंगे, तुम साथ मेरे बस यूं ही रहो, हम साथ तेरे यूं जी लेंगे, लम्हे पल में खोने लगे हैं, जब से मिला है प्यार तेरा कुछ ख्वाब तेरे संग देखे हैं, कुछ ख्वाब तेरे संग देखेंगे।
शुक्रिया शुक्रिया सर। मतलब मेलोडी कभी भी नहीं जा सकती, ऐसा मुझे लगता है। चाहे हम आपके गाने सुने या अनु मलिक सर के गाने सुने। मैंने अरमान अमाल मलिक के साथ भी यही बात की थी कि यू गाइज आर कंटिन्यूइंग दिस लेजेंड ऑफ गिविंग आउट रिच मेलोडीज टू एन इंडस्ट्री जिसको इतनी जरूरत है मेलोडीज की आजकल के, खास आजकल के जमाने में, कि वी आर डाइंग फॉर hearing such beautiful melodies, which right from Sardar Malik Saab ki generation, the entire generation is now continuing that tradition.
वाह।
आपका मतलब बचपन में कितना रिच, म्यूजिकली रिच माहौल था आपका बचपन का, अगर हमें थोड़ा ग्लिम्स मिले।
बड़ा बड़ा एक्चुअली पैराडॉक्स है लाइफ का। बहुत बड़ी कड़वी सच्चाई ये है कि जब हम लोग ग्रो हो रहे थे एंड वी वर किड्स, somehow the other papa was seeing very tough times and तो उनके मन में कहीं या मम्मी डैडी के मन में कहीं ऐसी एक धारणा आ गई थी कि बच्चों को म्यूजिक में नहीं आना चाहिए, मतलब एंड दे वर गेटिंग हताश हो गए थे, डर गए थे। और उन्होंने अपने बच्चों को संगीत से दूर ले जाने की कोशिश की। They didn't say कि भाई आप रियाज करो या कुछ करो and all that. So my dad and mom were more focused on education. So Anu Bhai became masters in economics. Abu Bhai became a lawyer, and then I went into BCom, and we all graduated. And every time we had only one thing: give us 1 year, we want to work for music. And that's how Anu Bhai's journey began. And he went for music, and he became rest is history, became successful. I did for 10, 15 years, I did acting, singing, shows, events,
एंड योर
and
सॉन्ग्स मतलब
everything.
आज भी अगर री रिलीज हो जाए, क्या गाने हैं सर। मतलब
वो कल
वी
की
वर
बात लगती है
यंग,
मुझे।
वी वर यंग
हाँ,
देन,
चलिए।
हमारी जनरेशन के गाने हैं तो।
But I'll tell you very frankly, internally, I was really not thinking so much about my music. By the time I reached a point in 2009 or 10, when suddenly when I discovered my own children, actually I stumbled upon such a huge bundle of talent in my kids. Like Arman, he was singing in the one of the rooms on a guitar. I could not believe he's doing this music. I went and rushed up to him in the afternoon and said, "Kya? Who's playing the guitar?" And I saw छोटा सा बच्चा 6-7 साल का गिटार बजा रहा है इतना ब्यूटीफुली और इतना अच्छा गा रहा है। एंड आई जस्ट फेल्ट कि ये तो अनस्टॉपेबल है, इसको नहीं रोकना चाहिए। और बाकी आई लेफ्ट इट टू गॉड। आई सेड द कॉस्मिक पावर्स दे कैन टेक केयर, बट मेरा और फर्ज ये है कि इनको संगीत और उनको पूरा डाल दिया मैंने। और खाली एक ही चीज बोले कि मास्टर व्हाटएवर यू कैन, व्हाटएवर यू लर्न, एंड rest is what the world gave us and blessed us, both the kids, with so much of love. And I think this love continues. And अमल का भी सिंगल रिलीज हो रहा है
Oh
very
my
soon.
God, we are waiting for it.
It's very heart touching,
No,
very
but
heart touching song.
any all the songs that both of them at such a young age, the kind of mature music that they have given to the industry, the fact that they have such a huge fan following, ये एक side की बात है, लेकिन जो contribution they are already giving and making history is
Yeah,
something.
they actually made a promise to my dad, because the first 10 years of their life they spent and learned a lot of music from it. What my dad could not teach us,
क्या बात
he
है,
taught
क्या
Amal
बात
and
है,
Arman.
क्या
तो
बात है।
वो जो पहले 10 साल का जो उन लोगों की फाउंडेशन years थे with
Oh my
सरदार
God.
साहब, and those were, and he took a commitment from them कि y'all will carry my legacy. And his last words before dying also, when he was on his last breath, he called me close and he looked at me, held my hand, and he told me, yaad rakhna, your children and my grandchildren Amal Arman will take this legacy forward.
This is
And
emotional.
he,
Wow.
yeah, he was a great guy, and my dad loved them immensely. So their music, why it has the dignity and the strength, because it comes from a promise made to their grandfather that we will do our best.
And he's around. His spirit is always around whenever they are creating music. Whenever you are creating music,
This particular room where we are there. So whenever children, this is the studio room where we
जी
make music.
जी
So whenever you know they always come and tell me, suppose kuch hota hai, so then they can feel the presence of him.
yeah
Some if they make a good song, either his picture which they keep or a painting that they keep, it'll move. And when they're sitting and late in the light, 3:30.
it's just amazing, amazing, amazing. And really, जब भी हम अगर अरमान अमाल के गाने सुने, they are so young. I mean, they belong to this generation, and they are so young. You can't expect, such rich
Yeah,
melodies which are very old, which has a very old school का जो एक richness है, वो बहुत old school की melody भी है. एंड
yeah,
अगर आप सरदार मलिक साहब के गाने सुने जो आपने अभी अभी गाए, तो आपको लगेगा कि ही वाज सो अहेड ऑफ हिज टाइम्स, कि वो गाने आज
yeah,
भी
yeah.
कितने यूथफुल हैं,
And he,
फ्रेश है,
yeah,
कंटेम्पररी है.
very good. We are just, me and Anubhai are a little unlucky that we really did not get his 100%, because by the time he wanted us to get educated and study and become corporate, and so that luck was bestowed upon Aman and Arman. I think yes, it's the blessings of him which continues, because इतने सारे आंधी तूफान सब आए हैं, बट बच्चों का एक सिंपल वर्ड है कि हम कॉम्प्रोमाइज नहीं करेंगे, अच्छा काम करेंगे. एंड अजीब ऐसा लगता है, समटाइम्स ऐसा लगता है कि सारा ब्रह्मांड, सारी कॉस्मिक पावर्स जो है ना, वो रास्ते बना देते हैं. जैसे कि इंटरनेशनल म्यूजिक करना था अरमान को, तो आज इंटरनेशनल म्यूजिक पहुंच गया इंटरनेशनल लोगों तक, एंड ही हैज गॉट अ प्लैटिनम फ्रॉम सोनी
एब्सोल्युटली.
फॉर हिज कंट्रोल सॉन्ग. तो जो उसकी ड्रीम थी, और सच और साहस के साथ इन लोगों ने अपने संगीत को अप्रोच किया. एंड आई थिंक कि समटाइम्स हमको ऐसा लगता है कि समंदर अपने आप रास्ता बना रहा है, मतलब
बनाता रहा.
तूफान है लेकिन रास्ता बना रहा है कि आप लोग चलो इस रास्ते पे, और आप लोगों को यू विल अपनी मंजिल तक आप पहुंचोगे. एंड एज आई ऑलवेज डिफाइन, टेल माय चिल्ड्रन कि लाइफ इज लाइक दिल की धड़कन. इट ऑलवेज, व्हेन यू सी द ग्राफ ऑफ हार्ट, इट्स अप एंड डाउन एंड अप एंड डाउन. जिंदगी जब ऊपर नीचे के नाम से चलती है, जब हार्ट ऐसा चलता है, तो जिंदगी भी वैसी चलती है.
क्या
तो
बात है सर.
अच्छे और बुरे दिन सब साथ में रहते हैं लाइफ में, लेकिन अपने नजर लक्ष्य के ऊपर रखना चाहिए, अच्छा काम करना चाहिए. बिकॉज क्या है कि what footprints that you leave on the sands of time, that is going to remain forever. बाकी सब चीजें तो I don't think it's a transient world. And और मैं तो बहुत I like to make everybody light hearted. I always tell, हर चीज दूसरे की बड़ी दिखती है, दूसरे का सक्सेस ज्यादा दिखता है,
जी
दूसरे के पैसे ज्यादा दिखते हैं, दूसरे
जी
की सक्सेस ज्यादा दिखती है, लेकिन एक्चुअली ना सब चीजें नंबर्स हैं. हर इंसान को एक मीडियोक्रिटी, मतलब एक बेसिक नीड सबकी होती है लाइफ के अंदर.
हम्म.
बट पीपल शुड फाइंड हैप्पीनेस. I know tough times are very difficult to be happy and all that, but unnecessary अपनी जिंदगी को उदासी और नेगेटिविटी से जोड़ने की कोई जरूरत नहीं है. Because today, everybody says today is the moment. I feel it's not today. I feel that you have to train yourself to believe that there is a larger existence cause. We are there. That itself is a miracle. You are a miracle. Sitting there, I'm a miracle. We all are miracles of God. Our
Wow,
heart is
counting our
beating
blessings.
inside us. We are individually miracles of this creation, of this entire earth. So we should love every moment. आज खुश रहने के लिए basically जिंदगी में what have we created? What God created us for is basically to see the sun, the sea, the mountains, the wind, the air. Correct? These are good enough for you.
But we have forgotten
I
that.
know.
Yeah,
But
we have
we want to believe that every materialistic thing is going to make us happy.
correct.
आप ट्राई करके देख लो. मैंने देख लिया अपनी जिंदगी में, गाड़ियां भी खरीद के देख ली, सब कुछ करके देख लिया. हाँ, मैं ये नहीं कहता हूँ कि you don't have to have money, success and things which can be to make you comfortable. That's fine. But लोग बहुत ज्यादा उसको महत्व देने लगते हैं. People say, जो लॉकडाउन में सबको समझ आया कि बाहर देखो दुनिया का क्या हाल है, या अंदर देखो, अपने अंदर झांक के देखो. मैं बोलता हूँ इतना कॉम्प्लिकेशन करने की जरूरत नहीं है आदमी को. अपनी जिंदगी के अंदर. There is nothing like that you have to get into a meditation zone to achieve nirvana. मैं सिर्फ इतना बोलता हूँ कि आप अपने आप को ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंस मत दो, इन द सेंस के मेरे साथ क्या हो रहा है, मैं क्या कर रहा हूँ, मेरा क्या. कोई जरूरत नहीं है वो सब चीजों में अपना टाइम वेस्ट करना. इफ यू जस्ट स्टेप आउट and you just see that there is smile and laughter and happiness even in the remotest corner of a place where there is nothing, कुछ भी नहीं है उनके पास, लेकिन वो स्माइल कर रहे हैं, हंस रहे हैं और खुश हैं. तो अगर वो ऐसा कर सकते हैं तो आपके पास तो सब कुछ है, आपको तो सबने. तो ज्यादा हम इवन मेंटल इलनेसेस, आई एम सेइंग
बिल्कुल
देयर कैन बी
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल.
बायोकेमिकल प्रॉब्लम हो सकते हैं, देयर आर मेडिकल रीजंस आल्सो. बट आई फील व्हाई द वेस्टर्न वर्ल्ड एंड व्हाई लॉट ऑफ पीपल, बिकॉज वो समझते हैं कि मटेरियलिस्टिक थिंग्स से हैप्पीनेस मिलेगी.
करेक्ट करेक्ट करेक्ट
सब
करेक्ट.
चीजें सब डूबते जा रहे हैं उस चीज के अंदर. Everything is good. I'm saying you buy a Ferrari, you buy a Mahel, but that is not the reason for happiness. जो एक आदमी जलन से देखे अरे उसके पास ये है और मेरे पास नहीं है, what a waste of time. Because क्या है कि उसके लिए भी उसके साथ उसकी क्या जिंदगी चल रही nobody knows and what is going through his head. He has everything and he has nothing. वो कहते, मेरे फादर कहते थे कि मैं भी अकेला, तू भी अकेला, सब है अकेले इस दुनिया में. That was his like mantra.
मंत्र.
कोई किसी की बात ना पूछे, मतलब ही मेले इस दुनिया में. Because ultimately everybody thinks about themselves. My dad used to always, in his lonely time, he used to sing a line which was very sad. But जब वो गाते थे ना, और मैं छोटा था, तो हारमोनियम जब वो बजाते थे, and he was very isolated, very sad and very lonely. But then उनकी भी culmination life में देखो कि जब उनके बेटे को national award मिला for refugee and all thing, and when he was there and he took, तो वो एक law of karma है. जैसे कि हमारे घर में भी एक कमाल की स्टोरी है कि जब फिल्म फेयर अवार्ड मिला था मुझे, अमल को बेस्ट म्यूजिक डायरेक्टर और अरमान को आर डी बर्मन अवार्ड,
जी
तो
जी.
वो जो दोनों फिल्म फेयर थे वो दोनों पकड़ के मैंने पूरी रात सोया हूँ. एंड दे द होल फैमिली वाज शॉक्ड कि, एंड इट वाज विद मी, आई हेल्ड इट द होल 24 आवर्स, मतलब 48 आवर्स. आई डिडंट लेट इट गो. बोले कि नहीं ये इधर रहने दो, बिकॉज आई हैड नेवर गॉन टू अ फिल्म फेयर पार्टी दैट वे. Previous to that I was never even nominated or invited. So जब ये हुआ, and in that particular 24 or 28 months, I think more than 45-50 awards children took. Every award that was there in the book was taken for the best song or for best lyrics or for best singing. Everything they got, all awards. देर है अंधेर नहीं है. God अपने आपके अगर कर्म अच्छे हैं,
बिल्कुल.
and if you are somebody who can dedicate your emotions with truth, तो है कुछ सच्चाई है, कुछ हो जाता है. I feel blessed and my children have been really so lovely to me. I'm the kid of the house actually. They are more serious. तो मेरे को तो ऐसा लगता है कि मेरे नाज नखरे उठाते हैं. मतलब अगर कोई चीज आनी है, लैपटॉप आना है, आईफोन आना है या कोई भी चीज आना है, तो पहले पापा के लिए आएगा, बाद में सबके लिए आएगा. It's like that.
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल.
So I
थैंक यू. एंड ऑन इट्स जस्ट सो सो वी आर सो फॉर्चुनेट कि आपने आज हमसे इतनी इतनी पर्सनल, इतनी गहरी, इतनी लेजेंडरी बातें हमसे शेयर की, इतने ऑनेस्टली, और इतना इतना हमें यू मेड अस अ पार्ट ऑफ योर अमेजिंग फैमिली. सो दैट जस्ट मेक्स
Yeah,
मी.
it's good. It's good because what will happen for the generations to come, they can, हमारी और आपकी आवाज जो है फिर आज से 25-30 साल बाद लोग सुनेंगे कि हमने ऐसा कहा था. बिकॉज जैसे मेरे डैडी का ऑल इंडिया रेडियो का इंटरव्यू में बहुत बार सुनता हूँ, रोता हूँ, तो एटलीस्ट इन द फुटप्रिंट्स ऑफ टाइम मैंने अपने इमोशन शेयर किए, आपने किए, और अब वो रिकॉर्ड हो गए हैं. तो let the generations enjoy it, let them hear it for times to come.
I mean, I think you guys, all of you are just gifted with that. Whenever I have spoken with, Anu Malik sir, मुझे याद है कि जब भी when he also used to talk about, सरदार मलिक साहब, और वो अपनी पेटी में शुरू हो जाते थे, उनके गाने गाते हुए, तो just tears rolling down my eyes, and I'm like, Anu Malik sir, मतलब जब whenever he speaks, whenever you speak, and Arman Amal, the way they have spoken on the podcast, I still get messages from fans all over the world.
I love your emotional quotient, which is very high. I can make it out.
Yeah.
So love to all the family members of yours, all the respect to everybody, and lots of kisses to your baby from our side.
Thank you so much. And वही मैं बता रही थी अरमान अमाल. I think my first question, I think my first or second question to Arman Amal was आज से 1-1.5 साल पहले. I think you guys completely owe your musical knowledge and your everything that you have to your parents. You know, the kind of efforts your mother Jyoti Malik puts, we all know as an industry. We know the kind of efforts that your mother has put, and the kind of the things that you have carried forward from your dad. I think you are a sum of your parents. I mean, you guys owe everything, every success of yours to your parents, and they were like absolutely right.
But I think you have got real wealth now. I am so keen to listen to Amal Arman's that thing,
Please.
Anuji's thing, and my thing. I think make a compilation, and under MWM Entertainment, let's release it.
Sir, this is like amazing. MWM की बात करें तो I was going through a few songs that you have created. Oh my God, amazing. Sir, कुछ हो जाए हमारे लिए.
अब जो मेरा नेक्स्ट सिंगल है, पहली बार आप लोगों के पास ही ये डॉक्यूमेंटेड प्रूफ रहेगा, किसी ने सुना नहीं है. ढूंढने में जो चला, मिल के भी वो ना मिला. कुछ दोस्त मिले, कुछ ख्वाब सजे, कुछ सच भी हुए, कुछ छूट गए. और मेरा ये सफर ऐसे ही चलता रहा. So it's a life journey of mine के ढूंढने में जो चला, मिलके भी वो ना मिले. कुछ दोस्त मिले, कुछ ख्वाब सजे, कुछ सच भी हुए, कुछ छूट गए. हाँ, और मेरा ये सफर यूं ही चलता रहा. And ढूंढने में जो चला, मिलके भी वो ना मिला. So something like that, on philosophy of life it is.
Wow.
So you will love it when it comes.
Wow, amazing. And तू है जहां, I think I loved it. I just loved it. It is beautiful.
It was dedicated to the nation, and for a long time, actually I wanted to do something and dedicate, because इतना सारा हमारे देश में fragmentation, जो इतनी separation और ये सब चीजें हो रही हैं.
जी.
So I was very, very keen to put a message across that we all are one. We all belong to a country, a common country, Hindu, Muslim, Sikh, Isai, जो भी हैं. Ultimately, everybody at heart is an Indian, and हम लोगों को कभी एक दूसरे से जुदा नहीं होना चाहिए. और यही मैसेज है.
Wow, listeners and viewers, I will insist you guys to just check out, this beautiful song "Tu Hai Jahan" on MWM Entertainment, the YouTube channel, and you will just come across some beautiful tracks, by Dabbu Malik sir, and I think it was just
lots are coming. There are more than 55-60 songs by March 2021. They're all coming.
What a fantastic phase that you are going through, sir. You are such an inspiration at this age. Did you expect that अभी बच्चे बड़े हो गए हैं, they are accomplished music composers, अभी I'll take a back seat, generally इस तरह का रहता है.
I took a back seat.
No,
I took a back seat.
But you are
now
back
I'm beginning
with
all
a
over
bang.
again.
You are back with a bang, just like you said, like a kid.
So now let me take the opportunity to thank Sunidhi for this, because to tell you very frankly, we should acknowledge the fact that she has always having such love, deep respect, and fondness for my music and for me, that we have come back together. And actually it becomes that I have done something which she not expected, and she has done something for me which was not expected. And actually we have come together and fulfilled a dream. जो ख्वाब हमने देखे थे वो सच हो गए.
Amazing. Thank you, sir. मतलब ये एक episode is not enough, to spend, time with you. I'm looking forward to, have another such lovely interaction with you.
But summarizing, this is a great summary for a lot of things of mine. I would like to hear this on podcast whenever it happens. I would like to know what I spoke.
Yes, sir. Thank you so much again. And last में जो main हमारे podcast का जो theme है, to understand the creative discipline of artists. किस तरह की सीख आपने दी अपने बच्चों को tips diye. I'm sure some tips that you have consciously, unconsciously given to your kids in terms of, as musician, as a mentor in music.
I always say that if you want to become a surgeon,
Ji,
you spend 11 years of your life dedicating to learn that craft,
bilkul.
right? If you want to be a dentist, you put 7 to 8 years to reach. If you want to be a lawyer, you want to be a scientist, you give a lifetime to reach a certain level of uh, you know positioning जो आपने मेहनत की, एक्सपीरियंस किया. It applies same to the form of art, which people feel के ये फिल्म्स हैं, इसमें हीरो बन जाओ, इसमें सिंगर बन जाओ, सब हो जाता है. You have to have that inherent talent, no problem. हर इंसान में अपने अपने टैलेंट होते हैं, करेक्ट है. बट उस क्राफ्ट की तरफ मेहनत करना ही पड़ता है, एंड नॉट जस्ट फ्रैगमेंटेड, focused. And you have to, like Amal, I always say that he is a scientist composer. I always tell him he is a mathematician composer. He is an artist, no doubt. He is emotional, no doubt. But he is given that time to, from the age of 14 to 15, from the age of 12, he has been learning programming and arrangements and lyrics writing and technical knowledge. He's given that, and by the time he reached 18, 19, 20, he had already given 7-8 years of his life to learn that craft. Of course, he had the emotional wealth from his father and grandfather. That is there because he was a musician. So I also told Amal that if you don't know recording, if you don't know mastering, if you don't know mixing, if you don't know the art of programming, then you you're not complete. You're not complete. You just, people can be natural also, but I don't want you to be natural. I want you to be a graduate of music. And same happened with Arman. Arman went to Boston. He did a lot of work, learned. So he's also completely trying. He also gave 10 years of his life to music. So I always say, don't take it lightly. Anything. When Arman, when he wanted to leave education at the age of after his 12th, I said, yeah, fine, leave education. But when you're working in music, it's going to be 10 times more hard work. You cannot say कि मैं रात को गाऊंगा, बाजा बजाऊंगा और मैं खुश हो जाऊंगा. नहीं, मैंने बोला you have to give hours of rehearsals, hours of dedication of learning music. So many gurus will come. You have to learn guitar, piano, vocals, Indian, Western, सब 8-8, 9-9, 10-10 घंटे उन लोगों ने काम किया. तो कोई भी चीज अगर आप पूरी संपूर्ण अपने आप को उसके अंदर नहीं डालोगे, you can't become. So I always say that you have to graduate to be what you want to be. Even if you want to be an accountant or a CA, you have to go through the process, right? I'm not saying that एक engineer artist नहीं बन सकता है, बन सकता है, लेकिन ये एक आपके पास थोड़ी सी inherent quality हो. Because Nawazuddin Siddiqui is a great actor, said a very good thing. He said acting can be there in you, but the craft you can learn. You can spend time. You can put 4-5 years, and you can learn the mathematics of that. Wow. So inherently और creatively आप कितने natural हैं, कितने सब चीजें, वो आपकी सरस्वती माँ की आपके ऊपर आशीर्वाद है. लेकिन ये बोलना कि नहीं मैं रियाज ही नहीं करूंगा और मैं मेहनत ही नहीं करूंगा और मैं उसको उस लेंथ तक नहीं लेके जाऊंगा, तो then आगे जाके गिरना ही है. So of course it's a constant phase of learning. Music is a sea of knowledge. You never learn anything, but your basics have to be strong. So it is not just destiny and luck, but it is also that every artist has to put in. Vijay Prakash from Kannada, he is a very great singer. He has sung for all the top. He is not an ordinary talent. Shankar Mahadevan, he is not an ordinary talent. These people, this one और गुणी जन है, मेहनत की है तब वहां तक पहुंचे हैं. तो ऐसा ही बोलना है कि नहीं ये फ्लूक में लोग बन जाते हैं और स्टार्स बन जाते हैं ऑल दैट, तो फ्लूक में बनते हैं, दैट इज पार्ट. बट मेरी तरफ से एक कोशिश है, अगर ज्ञान देना है या कोई बात करनी है, तो आई वुड डेफिनेटली रिक्वेस्ट ऑल क्रिएटिव पीपल टू डेडिकेट देमसेल्व्स एंड रीच द मैक्स आउट योर हार्ड वर्क टुवर्ड्स द क्राफ्ट. That's my message.
Thank you from my heart for sharing such lovely things.
I like the name Eva. I like it. It's one of my favorite names.
Thank you.
Rebecca and Eva are the two names which I like a lot.
Oh my God, thank you so much. Okay. Thank you, sir. Bye bye.
God bless.
Bye bye. Thank you so much. Thank you.